Welcome to the click. This is subsets and their types and also empty sets. Let's go. So first of all, subsets, what are they? If the element of set A are in set A is counted as a subset of set B. For example, I've got A. A contains 1, 2, a triangle, and Q, okay? So it has 4 elements. And B, for example, has 1, 3, 4, 2, a square, a triangle, right? Q. So these are the elements of B. B is a much bigger set, but as I can see, A has 1, so does B. A has 2, so does B, right? A has a triangle, so does B. And also A has a Q, the letter Q, so does B. So that is why I can say that A is a subset of B. And this is the symbol of subsets, okay? So yeah, this is what subsets are. Their types, proper subsets and improper subsets. We have proper subsets if every element of set A is contained in set B, then A is a proper subset. This one was a proper subset because, both of them, A is a subset of B, but proper subsets are the subsets that A and B should not be necessarily equal sets. So for example, as you could see in this example, these two are not equal. They don't have the same elements, but A is a subset of B because all of the elements of A are in set B as well, right? So yeah, for example, let's go with a smaller example. So A has the elements of 1, 2, and 3, okay? And B has the elements of 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, okay? In here, A is a subset of B, but it's not necessarily equal to B as they don't have the same elements. B has more elements, right? So this is what proper subsets are. Let's lock this understanding up with knowing and studying improper subsets. So improper subsets refer to when A is, all the elements of A are contained in B and A may be equal to B. So the elements are the same, right? And then A is a non-proper subset of B as it is written in here. So for example, I've got A, which is equal to 1, 2, 3. And at the same time, I've got B, which is equal to 2, 3, 1, for example. In this case, not only A is a subset of B, but also A and B are both equal, right? As I told you in the previous lesson that when the sets have the same elements, they're equal. And not only that, but B is also a subset of A. This is what improper subsets are. And also, the symbol of subsets are not this, okay guys? This is not the symbol. I made a mistake there. This is the symbol of subsets. Please keep this in mind. Let's go for the last topic of the lesson, empty sets. A set that contains no elements is called the empty set. And it is written as a circle that has a line on it, or a set with no elements inside. For example, A, if it is equal to a set with no elements inside, it can be named as empty set. Got it? Okay, we're done. Thank you. Sources page.